And si Daddy ay busy sa barbecue. Wala namang barbecue. It's not a barbecue. It's, we're just using charcoal. Dinakdakan. Effort, love your grandparents. Mag-effort ka. You give effort to see them, to spend time with them. I think it's a good values. Hello everybody. Happy Easter. It's 6:30 in the evening and si Daddy ay busy sa barbecue. Wala namang barbecue. It's not a barbecue. It's, we're just using charcoal. Dinakdakan. Sisig. With charcoal. Cooked pork. Yan. Yeah. Do you want the tong?
I got it.
Oh, you got it. Okay. Daddy get it. Daddy get the tong.
I just need to quickly clean it because I used it
To use it to scrape. To scrape? Scrape the dirt?
Huh?
What did you use for?
I used it to cook the tong.
Okay. Good girl. Drink some more milk. Come on. Drink more milk. Yeah, that's it. Keep going.
Okay, go!
Nice, Daddy. Busy? Daddy's busy, baby. Yeah, we're waiting for Daddy. Hey, Google, stop. No, just keep it. Keep it. That's where you're gonna put the... Hello, everybody! Happy Easter! Yan. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Sana ay okay kayo, guys. Here's Aliyah. Oh. Hi! Hi, everyone! And there's Lady. Lady, come here. Come here. Yes! There's my dog. Yan. And then this morning, guys, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi, I was with my mom. Nag-empake na ako for our Philippine trip. And then, nagpunta rin kami sa park. Ngayong gabi na ng Easter Sunday. Ngayon lang ako medyo nagkaroon ng maluwag na time. Here's Aliyah, oh. Para mag-vlog sa inyo at ma-share namin ang aming simple celebration ng Easter Sunday. So, hindi kami nag-Easter egg hunt because Aliyah is still maliit. Hindi pa niya ma-enjoy ang Easter egg hunting. So, nag-picnic na lang kami. Pero medyo malamig na naman kasi ang panahon. Tingnan nyo guys, ang panahon. Ayan, makulimlim, napakalamig, nasa 15 degrees kaninang tanghali, pero ngayon nasa 8 degrees na sa labas. So, si Daddy ay nagbabarbecue. Puntahan natin. Buti si Aliyah, happy siya. So, naka-Easter bunny ears tayo. Ayan si Dad. Uy. Nice. Oh, ayan. Ayan. Cooking na. Charcoal. Cook yung meat natin. Gagawa tayo ng dinakdakan. Dinakdakan. It's a Ilocano version of sisig, Dad.
Okay.
Yeah. Andy loves sisig eh. He loves it. But this time, it's Ilocano version. Means Ilocano is people from up north of the Philippines. So, we'll see if Daddy likes it. Konti yung pork. That's a pork belly. Pork belly, guys. Hello, guys! Maggayat na tayo ng ating ingredients for the dinakdakan. Yes! Naluto na pala yung pork. Ito na. Yan. luto na by Daddy. And then, ito na yung ating mga pang-ingredients. Onion, lemon, ginger, ano to? Pepper, salt, puree ginger, mayonnaise, and ito, yung spring onion. Ayan. Right. Diyan lang kayo guys ha. Magluto tayo. Samahan nyo na kami ngayon. Okay, let's go, let's go. Samahan nyo ng Mr. Bunny. Aliyah, you okay? Aliyah, are you okay? Yes, I know. Bear with Mom. Yeah. I know. Yes. We will cook rice, Aliyah.
Aliyah?
Mom,
No, in the next week.
rice in the morning, rice in the lunch, and rice. Yeah, I know, baby. Because why? Why, Aliyah? Because we're going to your grandma, Lolo and Lola's house.
Yeah.
I want you to see where Mommy grow up. Ayun, guys. So, yeah. That's what I want Aliyah. So, you know, I'll film, document our trip so that she can see our trip when she's bigger. Para feeling niya, yes, Daddy will come back. So that Aliyah feels like she's there. Obviously, she's there, but wala siyang maalala pag paglaki niya, mapapanood niya na, dinala ako ni Mommy. Mommy brought me to the Philippines when I was 8 months. So, when I document it, that's why Mommy vlogs. Ayun, para, so that, makita niya sa vlogs namin in the future that, Mom brought me to my grandma and granddad in the Philippines. Ganon. And then, makita din niya kung ano yung mga gagawin namin. Also, yung ang pinaka-main talaga is to spend time with the grandparents talaga. Yung ma-experience ko, ako din, for myself, ma-experience ko yung buhay probinsya. Doon nakatira kami sa probinsya dito sa UK, pero, iba yung kinalakhan mong place, mga pagkain, ganun, diba guys? So, gusto ko yung ituro yun kay Aliyah. I want her to learn to, effort, love your grandparents. Mag-effort ka. You give effort to see them, to spend time with them. I think it's a good values to instill to our kids, to value their grandparents. So, yun yung gusto kong ipakita kay Aliyah. Kahit hindi niya, she won't remember the details. She will see it in her photos. That when she is 8 months, she flew to the Philippines and spent time with Lolo and Lola. Yeah. So, when she grow up, she would learn how to value the grandparents. Start them young.
Too early.
So, na-cut ko na yung pork. Ito, dinakdakan. Ayan. Actually, itong recipe to, napapanood ko lang to nun sa daddy ko. Nung bata ako, na niluluto niya. Saan ko kaya pwedeng ilagay? Wait lang. Nanonood kasi ako kay Cristel Folger. Ayan. So, ito yung aking bowl. Ayan, mag-start na tayo ng mixing process. Charot. Mixing process. So, lagay natin dito yung pork. Ito yung ayan, nagayat-gayat ko na yung tawag dito. Ayan nga, itong pork. Tapos, maglagay tayo ng lemon zest. Ayan. Actually, hindi ko alam yung exact recipe, pero tikim-tikim na lang tayo. Actually, guys, itong dinakdakan, gusto to ni Andy. Sabi niya, "Ba't di ka na nagluluto ng sisig?" Sabi niya. Actually, gusto niya itong, ay! Aray ko! Lady! Si lady, she's jumping on my bum. Ayan, timplahan lang natin. Kung kulang pa mamaya, edi dagdagan natin ng suka na lang. Meron pa naman akong lemon dyan, pero maganda din yung may konting suka. Ito, ay ginger puree. Naglagay tayo. Eyeballing lang tayo. Hey, lady! Ayan. Siguro mga 2 teaspoon. Yan, 2 teaspoon. Konti lang. And then, maglagay din tayo ng salt and pepper. Try natin ihalo. Wala akong savory, yun yung wala. Ay, walang chili. Yun yung kulang. Guys, itong dinakdakan, it's up to you if you want to add mayonnaise or not. Pero ako, I like putting mayonnaise on it. My dad used to cook it like this. And mayonnaise. Yeah, I'm slowly but surely. Dinakdakan. Ooh, that's nice.